They keep coming. They won't stop. The M4 is back. I may have been neglecting my fancy M4 ever since I got my AUG. You see, my intention was to split time between the two with a more 50-50 type of deal. I figured since I've only been using my AUG, maybe I should use my M4 for a little while now. I'm hoping it performs just as well, but I wouldn't be surprised if I end up farting around with the hop-up since it's pretty much been half a year since I've touched this thing. I think it's time to show the M4 a little love. I am so sorry for neglecting you. I still love you. All right, let's have some fun.
Over here.
I got 2 right, 2 or 3. One in wolf's den. Oh, one down. Right behind you. Okay, I'm gonna run to that tree in front of you. I'm gonna lay down. Okay, I'm moving.
Okay. Holy shit, man. Slide in a second.
One down in the back. John, I'm gonna grab that tree in front of you, the mossy one.
Go right to where I am, I'll switch you.
You're gonna come here?
Yeah.
Okay, ready?
As soon as you peek, you got 2 on the tree.
Okay, ready?
Ready? Go! What the fuck was that?
I don't know what that was.
Thank you.
John, I got him.
2 minutes! 2 minutes!
Go! Watch out! You forgot your gun. Hey, look what you're shooting at, buddy!
Oh no, bad angle. Bad angle.
Yeah, they're flanking this side. We're getting shot at, obviously, because they're trying to get you back. I got hit because my buddy and I were really hard, and it's like, they should be understanding. Maybe like, oh, it's Jared. Nice! Yeah, I was over there like that, and I didn't want to shoot this one.
Come on, guys! 10, 9, 8, 7, 7 and a half, 7 and 3/4, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1 and a half.
I think that's it.
1. That's game over. Flip side.
They got a lot of time there. Do you have any mana left?
Mana? I have all my mana left. I just haven't used any skill sets yet.
Okay, well,
I don't. Unfortunately, my species does not possess the ability to camouflage very well.
I need you to cast Thunderbolt as hard as you can.
Thunderbolt? I don't have that power.
Alvin, brother, do you want to live forever?
A little longer than a few minutes later.
Nothing tight. Don't come in. I'm naked. I'm naked. Don't come in.
What the fuck did you do? What the fuck?
We tie-proofed it.
How did you?
You rudely came in and you didn't even knock.
How the fuck did you do that? Did you put that? Oh, you put that log
I didn't do anything. I did nothing. Don't look at me.
Okay, one down. We're losing a lot of people. They're starting to hustle now in front. All right. One down in front of the barn.
One guy
Okay.
moving to you.
2 moving right, 3 moving right.
Yeah.
1
yeah.
moving in the ravine over to the right here. Alright.
To the right of barn.
I'm just gonna cover this wood. Make sure no one gets up and throws a grenade and then we're all fucking dead.
Yeah, you got it. They keep coming. They won't stop.
One guy down.
Oof.
One flank to the left. Coming to you.
Someone has a bazooka. That's all I'm gonna say. Bazooka to the right, bazooka to the right. Yo, guys, right in front of us all. Look at this thing, yeah.
I got it. They're running up right now, right now, right now! Right in the middle, right here, bazooka in the window, right now! Right now!
Pushing up, pushing up. One guy at the door.
Get up!
Hit! Coming out! Oh! Hit. Oh, nice stinger! Nice stinger! Oh!
Did we hit both of you?
He was in the corner. I got shot.
Watch middle!
Corner, corner! Green building, green building. Okay, I'm on your left, I'm on your left. Here, I'm gonna peek, I'm peeking, I'm peeking. Sunny.
Oh, nice one.
Okay. Just gone up and face that way. Guys, middle, 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 middle. Sorry, buddy.
You got out of balance. Yeah, the coach told me to go there.
We didn't shoot, Fred.
I
don't think it's working.
You're both
Eat it.
dead.
Yeah, I just saw, look.
Shooting. Yeah.
Okay, I'll call it.
And my middle finger.
I was further back. Oh, okay. Sorry about that.
All good. It's hard to feel it sometimes.
Yeah.
Alrighty, not half bad for my first day back with a gun I haven't used in like half a year. As I expected, I may need to take a look at my hop-up, but hey, can't say I didn't miss holding on to this beauty. Hopefully, my AUG doesn't get jealous. I'll see you next time.